Hello friends, welcome to Simple Life. In today's video I will be showing you the proper way of cleaning your television screen. Nowadays everyone owns a flat screen or a curved screen television at home, so the screens are so delicate. So here is a proper way of cleaning them. First of all, just unplug the television so that be on a safer side and you will get a very good picture of your screen. Use only microfiber cloth to clean your television screen. Don't use any kind of paper towel, napkins or any kind of cotton cloth. It can damage your screen. Clean only in a circular motion and don't apply too much pressure on the screen while cleaning, as the screens are very delicate. Never spray directly on your screen and use only standard lens cleaner available at the stores. Don't use any kind of liquid soap or glass cleaning solutions to clean your television screen because they are very delicate, as I said. Spray the cleaning solution over the microfiber cloth and just clean it in a circular motion over the screen. Don't rub it, just gently clean it. So here is our spotless clean screen ready to watch again. Plug in your television and it's ready to watch. So if you like my today's video, just let me know in the comment box below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.